Hello guys, welcome to my channel Be a YouTuber. I'm Lutfur Rahman Bulbul. Today I'll try to explain why do you need to select the right video category before upload a video in your YouTube channel. To grow your YouTube channel, it's very important to select the right video category. If I'm giving you the example, if you are making some kind of traveling blog or food blogging, then you have to select the travel and events. If you want to make a comedy video, then you have to select the comedy segment. In YouTube have 15 category. To consider the 15 category, you can upload your video. Why this is very important? I'll give you three point why it's very important to select the right video category. If you do not select the right category, then your point number one is that your video will not reach your expected group of people. Say for example, if you are making travel and events, but you have selected your video category is entertainment, or you have selected comedian category, then your video will not reach to your expected group of people. And second point is YouTube also will confused to whom this video will get the impression. Impression means if you are starting a new YouTube channel, you do not have any subscriber. That's why YouTube by their self, by machine algorithm, they are suggesting your video to that group of people what you have selected. If you have selected comedian video category, but you are making travel video, YouTube will show this video to comedian expected people. That's why your video will not reach the right person. Third point is people will not find your video when they are searching on YouTube. Say for example, they are searching on the YouTube travel blog or something, but your video category with comedian video category. That's why when they're searching on the YouTube, they'll not find your video because your category was in another section. By these 3 points, I have tried to explain you why video category is very important. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, and if you have any comment or suggestion, don't forget to put your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much.